In this video, I'm going to cover Azure DevOps area. So the first agenda is significance of area. Second agenda is create new area. And the third agenda is how to apply area in backlogs item. So the first one is significance of area. As you are grouping your backlog item in a sprint, so the same way you can group your item same like a pick, feature, story, bugs, item, area wise. And once you segregate your backlog as a area, then very good dashboard you can generate, which will give the visibility to other stakeholder of the project. Let's jump to the Azure DevOps portal. Type dev.azure.com. As I am giving all the example from the online shopping cart. For area also, I am going to select online shopping cart and then select project setting. I am going to show you how to create a area and then select the team configuration and then select the area, and you need to select this area as a parent. Project is also an area, and you have to select this and click on the child. I'm going to create customer. Okay, click save. That's it. You have created. You can see it is coming as a slash. Even if you want to create child to the customer, even you can do that. Even if you want to do inside the product child, you can still do that. Again, it will go ///. Okay, now you see how we have created the area. Now we will see how to implement area in the backlog. So let's go back to the project. Go back to the project and go back to the backlog. Looks like I have already implemented. Yeah, I have already implemented. You can see area. Area is this one and is a product. Close this. I will just show you this. And in this, just what you have to do, select this, a product, and click on save. One another thing is, once you implemented area in the parent and once you create any child thing, automatically that area will be selected. Let's see one demo. We will create one user story. Click here, say this, already product area is automatically gets selected. That's how you will implement all the area. Let's see customer, and we will just see here all the child area will come. Select this, just click on the save. That's it. That's the how you can segregate your backlog with the area. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it thumbs up. Thank you very much.